Hello and welcome back everybody! Welcome back to my channel. Kamusta po kayong lahat? Good morning, magandang araw and maayong buntag po sa tanan. Hello po sa mga Bisaya diha, especially sa may Cagayan de Oro City sa ako ang family nga number one supporter gina na po sila. Always kina silang nag-una og tanaw sa ako ang mga videos. Hi everybody! I miss you all! Anyways, if you are new to my channel, my name is Jade po. I am from the Philippines, but I live now in Pensacola, Florida. I got here through a K1 fiance visa. So for this video po, I would like to share with you the timeline of my adjustment of status when I applied for a lawful permanent residence dito po sa US. So sa hindi pa po nakakaalam, if you haven't seen my video yet, I uploaded a timeline video of the processes of my K1 fiance visa. So just a little recap. I applied K1 fiance visa back in 2021. I got here in the US back in June of 2023. I got married September of 2023. That's before my 90 days expired. We applied for adjustment of status or a lawful permanent residence dito po sa US October of 2023. That's actually October 10 to be exact. If you are K1 fiance visa and you got married here in the US just before your 90 days expired, you then apply for I-485, apply concurrently with I-765 and I-131. I-485 is the application to register for permanent resident or adjustment of status. Yan po yung tinatawag nila na AOS. So, I applied it concurrently with I-765. That's the application for employment authorization. And I-131, that is application for travel parole. So, nag-apply po kami ni fiancé back in October 10 of 2023 sa USCIS. Sinubmit po namin yung application namin, yung packet po namin sa UPS, and yung address kung saan po nabilong yung state ko. So this is the link po ng lockbox addresses kung saan po nabilong yung state ninyo, and then just find your state and the address are there as well. So we submitted it through UPS. So October 16, naka-receive po kami ng message or text message from USCIS that they received my application po, my adjustment of status application. So between October 19 and 25 or October 19 to 25 po, umalis kami ni husband, nagpunta kami ng Arkansas sa papa niya for some family matters. We were there for 1 week. And during this time po, when we came back, naka-receive po kami ng letter from USCIS. We had the notification letter that they received my I-485, I-765, and I-131. And I got a letter as well from USCIS saying or I have an instruction there that I have to log in the CIS website using the information that they gave me. So, gumawa po ako ng USCIS account ko using yung mga information na binigay ni USCIS. May instructions po doon. Pinalag in nila ako. And during this time po, October 20, 2023, nagka-RFE po kami. Humingi po si USCIS ng initial evidence. And yung evidence po na hinihingi niya was the most recent income tax return po ni fiancé ko. Hindi ko alam na hindi pala niya sinubmit or hindi niya sinama dun sa application namin. Anyways, ito din po, okay, just a reminder, or this is important to everyone who is going to apply for adjustment of status. Make sure na isali niyo po yung most recent tax return ng husband po ninyo kasi ito din po yung mga usually na RFE sa adjustment of status. Ito yung mga nakikita kong reason or sa lahat po ng mga na RFE sa adjustment of status, ito po yung hinihingi ni USCIS. So make sure that when you apply or submit your adjustment of status application, include your husband's most recent income tax return para hindi na po kayo ma-RFE gaya ko. So when we got back from Arkansas po, sinubmit namin evidence na hinihingi po nila through email na lang po namin sinubmit. May instructions naman doon. Tingnan niyo po yan sa USCIS account po ninyo. So sinubmit namin sa kanila and by November 7 of 2023, we got our schedule for biometrics. Binigyan po ako ni USCIS ng schedule for biometrics and kung saan po ako magba-biometrics. We received the hard copy po on that day, November 7. So, November 16 po of 2023, yan po yung schedule na binigay po sa akin ni USCIS para po mag-biometrics. And I did my biometrics at the USCIS Immigration in Louisiana po, sa may New Orleans. Doon po kami nag-biometrics. Sinamahan po ako ni husband. It was actually a 3 hours drive dito po sa amin. So, biometrics only took about 5 minutes or actually less than 5 minutes lang po yung biometrics. Na-scan lang po nila yung fingers ko and they took a picture of me and I also did a electronic signature. Yun lang po yung ginawa namin. It was very fast. And since then po, November 16, naka-actively reviewed na yung nakalagay na information sa USCIS account ko po. Lahat po yung 765, Employment Authorization, Travel Parole, I-131, and yung I-485 ko or the Adjustment of Status. So December 24 of 2023, a day before Christmas po, na-approve po yung employment authorization ko together with my travel parole na issued na din po yung social security number ko. January 3 po, 2024, naka-receive po kami ng letter or naka-receive po ako ng letter that my SSN, my employment authorization application together with my travel parole document ay approve na po, inaprubahan na po ni USCIS. And by January 10 po of this year, 2024, natanggap na po namin sa mail yung ID ko po, yung employment authorization ID ko. Ito na rin po yung nagsilbing travel parole ko. And then I receive my SSN card as well. Ito po yung travel parole. Ito po yung employment authorization card together with the travel parole. Nandito na po siya. And right now, I am still waiting for my green card to get approved po. Chinek ko po sa USCIS. Ito po yung update. It says there that I have 4 months for them to review my application. So hopefully by 4 months or in the next 4 months, okay na po siya. Just a reminder po to everybody, kasi may naririnig ako na nagsasabi na if you marry a US citizen, especially for K1 visa, if you marry a US citizen, you will then become automatically a US citizen. Hindi po tama yan, okay? Hindi po totoo yan. That's not right. So, when you marry a US citizen, you become the immediate relative of the US citizen. Yan po yung tinatawag nila na spouse. So in order for you to be a US citizen, you have to go through the legal process. Mag-apply po kayo ng lawful permanent residence or the adjustment of status. Yan po yung I-485. And there is a conditional approval po. If you have been married with a US citizen for less than 2 years when you apply for adjustment of status, conditional approval lang po yan na 2 years green card. Yan po yung tinatawag nila na green card. If you were married more than 2 years naman po, they will give you 10 years green card. That's it for now. On my next video po, I will show you the requirements that we submit together with our adjustment status po. I hope to see you in my next video. I will share more about how I arrange my packet or how I fill out I-485, 765, and I-131. I will show you the requirements as well kung ano po yung sinamit namin. So I hope this video helps other people, especially po on a K1 visa process and is right now in the US, getting married, planning their marriage, and then planning to adjust their status. I hope po na makakuha kayo ng idea on what to do or information. You may visit USCIS website po for more information about adjusting status, kung ano po yung mga gagawin ninyo, ano po yung mga requirements. This is the official website of USCIS. So just a disclaimer, I am not affiliated with any government agencies nor working as an immigrant or immigration attorney. I am not a legal expert nor a professional. I am only sharing based from my own experiences po. So I'm doing this based from my experience, and I hope this helps other people as well. So I hope to see you on my next vlog. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like, to share, and to comment as well if you have any questions. Thank you so much po everybody. And I hope nag-enjoy kayo. You may check my other videos as well. My life po dito sa US. A day in my life dito sa US. Thank you. And I hope to see you on my next video. Bye!